Hello, guys. Good morning. It's a beautiful Saturday, and I hope you are all doing well. So, for today's video, we can just walk around here at the park again. So, as you can see, the snow is gone. Wala na pong snow dito. So, magwa-walk lang po tayo. So, as usual, while I'm walking, oh, look at this. So, as usual, um, the same thing, topic. So we're gonna have some topic today. Is all about our topic for today is all about content creation, podcast, um, vlogging, or anything that or anything that is all about social media platform, that kind of stuff. So okay, look at this one. Wala na po siyang snow. Oh. Magwawalk lang po tayo kasi namimiss ko eh. Matagal na, it's been like 1 month na hindi ako naglalong form. Nag-rest lang ako. And my microphone took so long. So, okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna walk all the way there. I'm gonna try to go all the way there, okay? Okay, so, being a vlogger, a content creator, or a podcast, it's a part of that kind of stuff. Or like live streaming, whatever is that. Or maybe like what choice that you are doing of in social media platforms. So in my own opinion, if you are um content creators, vlogging, that kind of stuff, I think it's all about a choice. And if you really like that, if you really like um to share something about, if you have an entertainment, if you have like some little talent about something, or like little topic, or like whatever, as long as you are not hurting anyone, yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, because if it's in your self that you want to be in the entertainment, or that really like to being famous, I mean, you just want to do something that it that is match with their personality. So yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. You know what, in content creation, vlogging, it's not easy. It takes time. It takes time, but it's a choice. Yeah. Yeah, just do whatever you want that makes you happy. Do whatever you want that you're comfortable to do it. And there's nothing wrong with that, as long as you're not hurting anybody else. Yeah, do it. Some of the people, they're earning money in social media. Some of the people just do for fun. Some of the people like that, they just want something to do in their life, and that's okay, you know, because we all have choices. Choice to choice to be a content creator, choice to be a vlogger, while we have a real job, or if you have a vacant time. Yeah, and it's a really nice feeling that when you inspire people, especially if they are struggling about their lives, or they want to hear anything about inspirational. And yeah, it's okay, do whatever you want, like me. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm social media, because from the start I really want a private life. But in my social media, mostly I don't share what I'm doing every day of my life. I'm not sharing about really, you know, about my daily life. So it's okay. It's okay, and there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, if you have a plan to do, if you want to, if you have a plan to be one of those content creation kind of stuff, yeah, do it. do it. The only thing you can do is just to prepare. Just prepare yourself emotionally, mentally, because sometimes in social media, there are lots of bashers, there are lots of comments that you don't really like. It can affect your mental health. Yeah, me, yeah. Um, I don't know, but I just like doing some content is to inspire people, dancing, sharing my videos to you, and I like to just to inspire people because I'm not walking here. Yeah, because if you are on social media, it's a it's a big deal sometimes because sometimes it can affect your everyday life because in if you're making some content, take time for that. You have to think what kind of content you're going to do, what dance again that you're gonna share with other people, what what inspirational again that you're gonna you know share. It's like every day you have to keep thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking. Sometimes you're running out of ideas. Yeah, but as long as you like what you're doing and you're not hurting anyone, then just go for it. It's fun. It's fun to be part of this content creation kind of stuff. And me, I like it. So that's why I've decided just to keep going. And I know plan to stop. Yeah, and also in social media, um, as a content creators, vloggers who are part of the social media that kind of stuff, we are just more careful of what we are posting because there are lots of kids there watching um watching videos, and then we need um to be more responsible because yeah, there are lots of kids watching, and then it's nice. See, it's beautiful. Hello. Yeah, we need to be more responsible of what content that we're going to post in our YouTube or whatever set on Facebook, because there are lots of kids using cell phones right now. Like they are just free to have Facebook, YouTube, and mostly they idolize those creators or YouTubers or vloggers. And also there are lots of other content creators that is okay with their partners to dance, whatever their attire is, and that's their choice. And I don't want to say anything about it because that's their choice. Every person is different. Every person will have different choice, and just do whatever you are comfortable with, because it's your responsibility what kind of content you're going to show or share it to everybody. And for me, oh, sorry about guys about my nose. It's beautiful here. I think this is the first time that, yeah, I get this far. Okay, punta tayo dun. I think that's fully po yan eh. So, turn lang po tayo. Ito po gano'ng kalaki ang park, ang Patterson Park. Ang laki po niya. Meron pa pala doon ano. Maganda pala dito. Ba? Meron pa pala doon. Punta tayo doon. Ganda. Yes, yeah. We are more responsible of what kind of content that we're gonna post, because some of the kids idolize us or as content creators, and they thought that all of us that we posted is good for them. So we have to be more responsible, because there are lots of content creators nowadays that they're using bad words. I don't want to mention any name, but yeah, you need to be more careful. And using bad words in social media, we will not normalize for that. We vloggers, content creators, we need to be more responsible enough to of what kind of content that we're gonna post. Okay? very nice. Wala na snow. Ganda ng snow. Wala na talagang snow. Ako gusto ko umupo doon. Maganda pala dito. Ang laki pala dito. Hindi pa ako nakaano dito eh. Yung kalayo. Ganito po kalaki ang Patterson Park. Grabe. Ang laki pala. Opo lang ako doon. Mayroon pala dito ganito. First time ko dito eh. Pumunta na ganun kalayo. Okay, upo tayo ha. Tapos to naman ako. Dalawa ang ano ko, topic ko ngayon. More working abroad at saka social media. Ang content creators, YouTube, something like that. So I'm gonna sit in here for a minute because it's hard to talk while I'm walking. Okay. Ganda pala dito, bay. Oh my God. Okay. Upo muna tayo para mag-talk lang ako dito, okay? Konti lang ang ano lang. Dito, sige. Continue po tayo. Upo lang. Malinis pa to? Dito lang. Ay, ganda pala dito. Okay. Yeah. To all vloggers out there, content creators, um, either what kind of platform, either what platform you're using, Facebook, YouTube. So yeah, we need to be more responsible of what content we're going to post because yeah, the kids are watching. Yeah, and sometimes they idolize us mostly. Not me, but maybe other like millions of followers. Yeah. Yeah, if you feel to be a content creator, if you feel to be one of this wala naman ako one of these content creators kind of stuff, you can do it. Think it many times. Because it's not easy. Every day you're gonna think about what content you're gonna post, and every day you need to have specific time for that to your viewers, you know. They're always there or waiting your videos. Your valid I mean your what you call this one? Your yeah, your viewers. Wala na naman ako. Responsible lang po tayo nung yun lang po. Ayun pala yun, hindi pala yun, ano, ibig ko sabihin yung mga viewers mo, ano ba yan? Nawala na naman ako. Yung mga viewers mo, yung, yung inaabangan ka talaga. Kaya, be more responsible of what content you are posting. Be responsible of what kind of topic you're going to discuss. Be responsible of what kind of words that you're gonna use. And also don't use bad words in social media. We content creators, we need to be more responsible. Okay, that's all for about content creators, content creation, or vloggers. So yeah, to all of you guys out there, be more responsible and be more careful. Careful lang po tayo. Okay. Ayoko na po pumunta doon. Tingnan ko lang yun ng ganun. Tapos, uwi na tayo. Maging responsable lang po tayo sa mga pinopost natin. Yun ang ibig ko sabihin. Ganda. May tennis po dito. O, tingnan nyo. Yan, ganito po kalaki ang Patterson Park. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito sa taas. Malaki talaga siya, bay. Ay, meron pang pool dyan. Yung ano, may pool pa dyan. Yun ang ganun yung pool yan eh. Yeah, okay. Next, our next topic is all about working abroad. Okay? So, mag-topic na naman ako ng working abroad. So, okay. So, I don't have Um, what I'm trying to say is that I don't given a chance to work with other people, with other nationalities. And diretso akong nakapag-work sa ibang bansa na kasi hindi ako naka-try nag-work ng ibang nationality. Ng kalahi po natin ng mga Filipino. So I don't wanna share my exact what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna share about my experience about um specific um stories about not really specific, only like this general also. So yeah, working abroad is I think is way more different than working in the Philippines. I don't know because I don't have experience working back home, working in the Philippines. So yeah, what I'm trying to say is just like working abroad is a lot of adjustment, is a lot of adjustment because you work with other nationalities. So in different nationality, different people. So meaning they have different attitude, different behaviors, different traditions, cultures, that kind of stuff. So different beliefs. So when you work with them, with these people, because I used to work with Europeans, Americans, sometimes I think Asians, yeah, but not a lot of Asians. The only, no, from South America, that kind of people, different kind of stuff. Yeah, different. Sorry, different kind of people. Yes, and all I can say, as long as you are nice to them, you're good to go. Yeah, just be nice with them. Just be nice to them. Just be nice to these people. Just be friendly as Filipinos, we are all friendly. Mostly, we are talkative, we are loud, we are bubbly. Dito na sa water tayo, bay! Ganda, oh. Pasensya na po kayo sa ko, talk ko. Nawala na naman ako. I always out of my mind. And pronto kasi to eh. I don't read anything. Just talk and talk and talk. Ito na miss ko sa water, oh. Sa water. Papark mo na ako kasi malapit to sa bahay namin eh. Pero magsastand tayo dito. Tingnan nyo. Ganda, oh. Namiss ko. Lumabas. Namiss ko magpunta dito. Yeah, working with other nationality is different, I think. I don't have experience working with my with the same nationality as like Filipinos. But, oh, yeah. I used to work with a Filipino in abroad. Yeah, I forgot. In United Kingdom. Yeah, before. Yeah, it was fun though. It was fun. But maybe it's way more different when you work in the Philippines that you have lots of same nationality, like all of them. While working different nationality outside with few Filipinos, only like one or two. Maybe that's a different thing. Yeah. Yeah, because Europeans, Americans, or from South America, they have different beliefs, different national, different cultures, and everything. They have different behaviors. So yeah, it's different too. So you have to adjust. You have to adjust. It's a big adjustment to work. And I remember like my first time work in United States way back 2010, something like that, 2011, early 2011. Yeah, I have lots of ups and downs, especially if you were just nice, just work, you work so hard, people get jealous on you. And if the management get compliment, they're gonna get jealous. It's true. And also, it's normal. I mean, you can't please anyone to like you. You cannot please anyone what they're gonna say about you. People have something not nice to say about you. Whatever you are in the world, whatever nationality you are, whatever how nice you are, People have something not nice to say about you or good or bad to say about you because we are just all human beings. We are all human beings. All you have to do, don't give all of the trust. You can be nice, just all you can do. Just be nice, bubbly, stay as you are, be kind, and all you have to do is to understand the situation. As long as in your side, you're always just being friendly and being kind, smiling. Now that's all that matters. No, because we can't please anyone. We can't please anyone. People have something not or good to say about us because we are just all human beings. We are all human beings. And as a human beings, we have lots of different kind of behaviors. Even me. Yes, all of us have different attitudes. There are extrovert. There are people who are extrovert, introvert, omnivert. What kind of behavior is that? What kind of we have different kind of behaviors. Some other people they are very frank. Some other people they are very they don't want to insult other people. But some of those other people they're easy for them to get insult. Or some of our people are sarcastic. Some of the people that they are just normal for them to talk behind your back. Yeah, because they are just human beings. And for you guys who are experiencing, this is for you if you are experiencing about the um, working abroad, experiencing about bullying, about experiencing about you hear about your coworkers talking behind your back or jealous about you. My advice, just keep going. Just keep going. If you think that you're not hurting anyone, if you just do your job and just be happy, being kind, and you think that you did good, you did great at your work for you, yeah, let it go. And you know what? The only advice also that we can give to somebody is a prayers. Prayers is the best weapon, is the best gift to the person because God can touch their God can help you. God God is there. God is always there for us. Yeah, okay, ang ginaw dito. Ngayon ako dito. Upo man ako dito, bay. Tapos pupunta naman ako dito dyan. Ganda ba eh? Yeah, prayer is the best weapon. And the only gift that we can give to somebody else is prayer. Pray. Pray everything. Your job, about life. Surrender everything. Because there's no impossible. There's no impossible in prayers. Yeah. Continue lang po kayo dyan. Work abroad. At saka pala yung mga advice ko sa especially sa domestic assistant, domestic help person sa Hong Kong or whatever is it in China, Hong Kong, OFW, sa Middle East. Kung narinig nyo naman ako dyan, mag-iingat dyan. Ingat po. Kasi malayo po kayo dyan sa pamilya nyo. Katulad rin po sa akin na ako, malayo rin ako sa pamilya ko. Kaya mag-iingat po tayo. Ganda ng water. Yeah. Yun lang ang advice ko sa mga nagtatrabaho. And it's nice to work abroad. It's nice to work with other nationality, especially if they are nice to you and they are just look like a family to you. It's nice. Masaya ka lang. Just be happy lang. Masaya lang. And if you feel something, na your coworkers are upset, mga ganon, meron silang, you can open up. You can start or just let it go. Mawawala din naman yan eh. And ipipray mo lang na sana okay lang. Yung ganun. Yun lang. And also, just go with the flow. Gawin mo lang trabaho mo. At saka, you can always do your best at your work. Yun ang magagawa mo talaga. Do your best mo lang yan. Happy ka lang. At saka, don't hurt anyone. Yun lang. Yun ang topic ko ngayon, social media and working abroad. Yeah, i-ano ko lang ha, i-recap ko lang. Yeah, yung social media as content creators. Again, or YouTube, we have to be more responsible of what content we're gonna post. Because there are lots of kids there watching. Yun lang. And we are more responsible of what languages we are using. Some of those kids, some of those people, they idolize of these content creators that sometimes they don't even get to learn something. You know, there are lots there, especially in Facebook. So we need to be more responsible. Bad words in social media, we will not normalize that. To my regular viewers, I want to say thank you to all of you guys. Thank you so much that you keep watching my videos. And thank you for subscribing me. And to all who wants to subscribe, please click the button. And I think this is it for now. I'm almost now. I'm gonna going home now. I'm gonna walk. I'm just turning around there. So yeah, we need to be more responsible. That that they can learn something or that we can inspire to people, because that's the most thing that we can do. We can be we can inspire people, or just make their day by posting inspirational, like what I did. I always want to post inspirational, especially prayers and kind of stuff. It's nice feeling. I inspire people. And also um yeah, and also working abroad, it's the only thing that the best thing that you can do. Enjoy working, as long as you love what you're doing. And if you're experiencing troubles about your job, the only thing that you can do is to pray. Yeah, pray your coworkers, pray everything. That's it. The only prayers is the only gift that we can give to somebody. Prayer lang po talaga. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this soon. Malapit na po ako dyan. Dyan po ang entrance sa ibang side. So magsastop ako dyan. Magsastand lang ako dyan kasi ang ginawa na po ng kamay ko, wala pa akong gloves. Pasensya na po kayo, nawala na naman ako. Pero bilang ko mawala. So to my family back home, I miss you all guys. I'm gonna see you someday soon. Pray lang po tayo. Kasi pang life ko eh. Tingnan nyo lang squirrel. Yeah. Keep smiling. Always remember that life is beautiful. And whatever you are going through, always remember that everything happens for a reason. Life is beautiful and God is watching you. Keep holding your dreams and follow your dreams. I love you all, guys. If you want to subscribe, please click the bell button below. Okay, bye. God bless you. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye. My next long form again. Pasensya na po. Bye bye.